From a trooper wrecking out mid-chase with Arkansas State Police, to a pursuit of a stolen truck driven by a suspect high on meth, culminating in a decisive pit maneuver. These are the intense moments that highlight the dangers of law enforcement pursuits. Man, this is the part of policing you don't see in the training manual. Sometimes even the trooper ends up in the ditch. Mid-chase wrecks happen fast, and it shows just how dangerous these pursuits are for everyone.
I'm on North 48th Street, passing Clarendon. I'll be after a black passenger car.
48th and Clarendon.
Viewers always think these chases are just cat and mouse, but nah, this is high-risk stuff. When a trooper wrecks out, it proves how insane the speeds and maneuvers can get. Respect to them for even stepping into that danger. Makes you wonder, was the suspect watching his rear view with a grin?
On North 47th Street now, correction, Virginia Avenue. 46th Street.
46th Street. Do you have the 28 on the vehicle?
It's going to be a paper tag.
See, that's what we see. See, that's what's going on.
What are your speeds?
He just keep making circles around the neighborhood. Speed's not getting over 40.
And one.
See, that's what's going on.
We're coming through you.
I wrecked out.
Crazy how a chase can go from control to chaos in a blink. Troopers in full pursuit, locked on target, then suddenly wrecked out. The suspect might have thought he caught a break, but you know backup wasn't far behind. ASP doesn't stop when one unit goes down. Only in Arkansas do you see a spray-painted black Silverado with tags that belong to something else entirely. This dude thought a rattlekin was going to hide him from ASP. Bro basically wrote, "Pull me over" in giant letters on his own truck.
at the vehicle, put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hands up! Stand
Hands
up!
up.
Stand up!
Hands up.
Hands up!
Hey, keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Side step to the left. Side step to the left. Side step to the left. Keep going. 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 Face away from me. Keep going to the left. Keep going to the left. Stop. Walk back towards me. Walk back towards me. Stop right there. Get down on your knees. Keep your hands in the air. Put your hands on top of your head.
The second the trooper saw that truck wobbling, you could feel the meth energy radiating through the screen. Expired tags, fake plate, stolen truck, and still hitting the gas like he was auditioning for Fast and Delirious.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
I love how the passenger just got a ride home like, "Yep, I'm out, thanks officer." Meanwhile, Anthony's stacking charges like he's speedrunning a Grand Theft Auto arrest list. Felony fleeing? Check. DWI drugs? Check. Careless driving? Double check.
Slide in. There's a lunchbox there. Just slide in. Don't worry about it. Hey, cover her. Go. Cover. Get out.
I know, I'm not trying
Get
to
out.
fight. I'm
Get out.
just trying to move the stuff out of the way.
Get out.
Oh, I didn't do that.
Transfer. Give me your left hand. Being detained right now. I'm just involved in a freaking vehicle pursuit. What's his problem? All right.
A spray-painted Silverado with fake tags is basically the official mascot of "I'm about to go to jail." It's like every cop's dream traffic stop rolled into one. Stolen truck, high driver, no license, and a wild chase on I-630.
Trying to run in a freaking 90s model Chevy pickup on 630.
I was turning around and seeing it. I knew it was coming. When you said it was spray painted black, I was like, yeah.
Tags expired in 2022. He took the exit when we took off, and then I got behind him, and he gets...
By the time the charges were read out, I was like, they're going to need a second page for this one. Felony fleeing, DWI drugs, speeding, careless driving, suspended license, stolen vehicle, fake tags. That's not an arrest. That's a whole resume.